Alright guys, welcome back to another Motorsports production. This is going to be part 2 of the RZR rebuild here. Up over the boxes, hopefully those go away soon. Okay, so we're going to just start tinkering around with it. We're going to tighten down all the marrying bolts between the transmission and the engine. I'm going to put some RTV around down there. Can you see the blue? Yeah, you can see the blue right there. We're gonna put some new RTV there. Not sure why it's there, but we're gonna put some new stuff in there just so that if it rattled or whatever reason was there, it's got some new stuff in there. We're gonna put some RTV here on the breather. The guy who rebuilt this recommended putting a little RTV here, and yeah. Just start putting it back together slowly but surely. Cool. Alright guys, we're gonna get started then. See you guys on the flip side.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright guys, welcome back. So it's a totally different day right now. I got so irritated that the GoPro died when it did. I lost all that footage of me putting that motor back in on the RZR. Honestly, I was so ticked that I hadn't picked up the camera for a few days. I just needed to take a little bit of a break. So this will be the outro to the video and kind of a quick update on everything that's happened. So I have driven the RZR. I'll bring you guys along for a ride here soon. As you can see, got the exhaust in, the intake's in, everything's in. Runs pretty good. I had to adjust the TPS and then the idle control. I'm going to get the tool for the idle control. I was using a little pair of needle nose, and it was okay, but I didn't like it. So I'm going to get the little, I think it's like a D-shaped socket kind of looking thing for it. And yeah, we're going to do it that way to adjust the idle, because the idle's a little high. It actually doesn't like starting cold, so I need to figure out what that's all about. But engine runs great. I probably at some point I'm gonna need to rebuild the clutch. It's kind of making some racket, but for right now she runs and that was my goal, to get that done. So that is that. Then we've been doing all kinds of things around here. I got this mower I'm trying to work on. Looks like it's going to require me to get a new carburetor for it, which kind of stinks, but I really need a push mower around the shop or house. But this is the primer bulb. It's got red stuff everywhere. Just melted into practically paint at this point. So, yeah, that was a primer bulb. So you can only imagine what the carburetor looked like. It was pretty nasty too, but now it's still not firing up because I think it's so clogged up that it's just not gonna, nothing's gonna make it work right. Oops, I need to get that filled. The other thing I finished was the exhaust. So I got a 45-degree angle pipe in there that's got the 5 1/4 inch arms on each side. So really short dort, but I'm glad I did that because the 9-inch would have been too long. I'm really glad I picked what I picked. So painted it with some black paint because of the black tip, and I think it looks really nice. I really think I like it a lot. So that's kind of the update for the video. I want to fire it up and get a quick shot of just what it sounds like, a little sound shot, and go from there. And then we'll get an outro going and start the day again with hopefully a fresh battery and a good video next time. Alright guys, hold tight and we'll see what this thing sounds like. There we go, hopefully. There we go. Alright guys, so I think that'll do it for the day. I think it sounds pretty good, looks really nice, so goes well with the truck now. Oh, sorry, look at me. So that's the end of the day. For you guys, I was working on the RZR, like, I don't know how long ago that was. It's been a few days for sure, but yeah, lots going on. Hopefully life starts toning down a little bit, we'll see. But for now, it's end of the day, and I'm tired. So like, subscribe, comment, share, all those fun things. It's always appreciated. And till next time, guys. Peace.